In today's video, we will once again explore something new in Vistacana. To set the stage, let's go back to June 2025. That's the date I published a video on Valparaiso View Residences in the Paseo del Sendero section of Vistacana. This project consists of 16 duplexes and 2 single-family villas. They sold out quickly. Some of you didn't get to me on time and lost out on that opportunity. Valparaiso View Residences is already on its way to being home to those of you who jumped on the opportunity fast. But not all is lost. Today I am happy to announce Valparaiso View Residences II to be built close to the first one, as you can appreciate from this aerial shot I took this past week. These will all be duplexes, also known as semi-detached, 20 in total. They will measure approximately 1,615 square feet with an additional 753 square foot rooftop terrace, bringing it to a total of 2,368 square feet. The lot will be approximately 1,722 square feet. Starting from the front, you will have parking spaces for 2 vehicles. Upon entering, there is a guest bathroom to your left, followed by the stairs to the second level. The rest of the open floor is where you'll enjoy the living space, dining area, and kitchen. There will also be a laundry closet as well. Just outside the living area, you walk onto your terrace and yard, where you'll be happy to enjoy from a swimming pool that'll measure approximately 8 feet wide by 20 feet long that comes included. Also included in every home are stove, oven, hood or extractor, water heater, and smart lock. Upstairs you will have 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom comes with its own private bathroom and a balcony. The other 2 bedrooms will share a bathroom. Now heading upstairs to the 3rd level is a semi-covered rooftop terrace. Here you will have a half bathroom as well. This rooftop terrace is where you can enjoy the warm nights with a cool beverage, gazing at the moon and stars. The price for these duplexes is an incredible $229,900. As a reminder, Vistacana is providing new amenities and conveniences to the community, such as La Nube Shopping Center with a Sirena supermarket that opened its doors in December of 2025. There's also a sports zone where sports fans can unite for sporting activities. And there's the second and larger man-made beach that's moving along. Those of us who invested here when the only thing they had was the first beach are excited to be a part of this expansion in Vistacana. Question is there any doubt that Vistacana is a viable option? Reserve your duplex in Valparaiso View Residences today with only $2,000. The estimated delivery date is scheduled for December 2028. Several have already been reserved prior to this video, so if you are seriously interested in acquiring one of these units, don't miss out again. Get in touch with me right away to 809-223-8416 or send an email to info@propertiesbymasters.com. Thank you for watching. Please consider giving this video a like, subscribe to the channel, choose the all option so you never miss out on future videos, and share it with others for their benefit as well. You can also follow us on Instagram at Properties by Masters. See you in the next video.